In this video, I'll show you how to fix Hulu error code P-TS207 on Roku. At the end of this video, I will also show a picture of my dog. Step 1. Confirm internet connection. Test your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection by running speedtest.net on another device. Hulu needs at least 3 megabytes per second for HD and 8 megabytes per second for live TV. 16 megabytes per second for 4K content. Restart your router if connection is slow or unstable. Step 2. Restart devices and app. Completely close the Hulu app, then reopen and try streaming again. Unplug your Roku device from power for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and restart. Step 3. Clear Hulu cache. Remove the Hulu app, highlight Hulu, press the star icon, this will open the option menu, and then select remove channel. Restart Roku, reinstall Hulu from the channel store. This clears corrupted cache. Then log in and try playing content again. Step 4. Check and install updates. On the Roku home screen, highlight Hulu, press the star icon and select check for updates. Update Hulu if a new version is available. Step 5. Verify Hulu server status. If Hulu continues to have problems, check Hulu server status at downdetector.com or the Hulu Help Center. Wait and retry later if there is a reported outage. Step 6. Disable VPNs and proxies. Disable any VPN or proxy. Hulu may block traffic from these and cause playback issues. Step 7. Test on another device. Check if Hulu works on a smartphone, tablet or PC with the same network to rule out account and platform issues. Step 8. Contact support if needed. If the issue persists after all these steps, contact Hulu support and provide the error code and troubleshooting steps you already attempted. And that is how you fix your Hulu error code P-TS207 on Roku. This is a picture of my dog. He's very cute. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.